guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know I'm Avis, so I guess I'm gonna make this like a Vlogmas video. Because you know, I am doing Vlogmas, and okay. Anyway, this spread, I have me some mussels, some shrimp, and some snow crab. I also did a cooking video for you guys. If you go over and head over to my channel, Unapologetically Avis, you'll be able to see that video of me actually making this seafood. I ain't gonna tell y'all this, just know that all this cost $25. All this right here, seafood. Actually, it was a little more. I ate some on the side, so don't tell nobody. So anyway, and I have me some butter sauce. With real garlic and other seasonings. I like it chunky a little bit, especially with the garlic, because this type of garlic I love. It has so much flavor. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into this grace, and then we're gonna go ahead and chat. We're gonna go ahead and eat, and we're gonna enjoy ourselves. Okay, let's get to it. Father God, I pray that you bless this food to the nourishment of my body. In your holy sweet name I pray, amen. So let's get to eat, because I already see a mussel already in front of me that already came out of the shell. Can y'all see that really good? Is it focusing? I hope so. Is it focusing? I was actually asking a question. I was actually talking to you. Oh my gosh. That's why, you guys, remember, that's why y'all have people doing your shit for you. You gotta do it yourself. Whatever. I love that. I'm not sure if I showed you guys the garlic, but what I'm going to do, so I don't have to keep dipping, I'm just gonna drizzle some of that garlic all over it, so I don't have to do all that. And let me do my thumbnail. I don't know how my thumbnail to be. I don't know. Is that good? Was that good? You guys know I can never get a good thumbnail. Well, I can never stop thumbnailing. I don't give a shit. I'm just gonna eat. Oh, look at all that garlic on the inside of that. Can y'all see that? Did that zoom in and focus on that? Did it focus? Is it focusing? Okay.
I see the garlic and all.
Is it? I swallowed the garlic without even chewing it. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful, miraculous time today. Because I'm going to enjoy this. And the thing about it, even though my muscles came out of here, and I know they fell down in there, but all that good garlic is in there, and I gotta eat garlic. And garlic is good for you. But the thing about it is, how is garlic good for us? But garlic kills dogs and animals. Did you not know that? Garlic is poison to animals. You better not kill them damn dogs down that road wrong. Yo, these dogs just keep tearing up our garbage.
And we got with 4 paws in the air.
I haven't had my own seafood, like me cooking it in a while, because I always buy it cooked from the seafood joints we have. And honey, when I say I miss it, I missed it. The juice is so good. See, I boil mine in broth first before it gets seasoned. And when I say I eat everything out of there, I eat everything. I ain't gonna play. That meat's so good. You ain't even gotta dip it. There's little tiny piece in there. I don't leave that behind. No muscle get left behind. That shrimp so tender. And you can see, I ain't want nothing but just meat, protein. Egg is protein too, but I ain't got time for that. I swear to you. I am an absolutely garlic lover. You got your little tiny little white thing in there. It's going to keep the muscle stuck on. I'm not sure if it's focusing or not, but I hope you can see it. Eat that too. Don't let the muscle be in vain. Baby, can you bring me something to cleanse my palate? I got a juice over there. It got good to me now.
I ain't talking about that.
Well, that's what I'm talking about.
Come on.
I done got quiet.
So, to tell you.
Tell my doctor I got my protein in today. See, last night when I made this, because I had to make it and let the season sit up in the food so it can marinate. It was spicy. And I don't do spicy. But today, it's just right. This Christmas tree poked me in the booty. All my muscles are falling out. Like, where are they? It's kind of look like a, you know what, kind of, but I don't want to talk about it because I don't do that kind of stuff. Huh. When you like, you know, it's a lot of shrimp. When I tell you that all this stuff you see on this table, all this seafood, it costs up to $25. You know what I mean? All this shrimp. I had, oh, that garlic, Jesus. What's going on, Papa Bear?
Nothing.
Y'all, when I say I got the best husband in the world, I mean just that. You guys have no flipping idea, which I would never know. And for you to know, but, honey. All praises to the Most High for sending me that one.
That's gonna be fat.
What? What you saying?
You might be fat.
I'm about to be fired
Yeah.
for not telling you.
Uh-huh.
You're so damn petty. Ooh, baby. I can't eat too much garlic at one time. Give me like a little face. What is that? Look, it's kind of weird. Baby, you want to take some mussel? What mussels look like? Baby, can I see that?
Uh-huh.
It zoomed in on it and blurred me out.
Who's it?
I hope so. Because you're the cameraman. And I hope.
Well, they did have to start over.
Shit. You don't get it like it is. So have any of y'all started doing your Christmas shopping? I definitely have. I only put majority of my stuff. Actually, none of the kids' stuff are underneath the tree. It's just mine and Rom's. Rome have two. I have one, two. I have two underneath there that I put underneath there for myself. A gift myself. Of course he's gonna gift me too, but I'm just saying I bought myself a lot of stuff. From Fashion Nova to what are some other places online, Rainbow. My first time shopping at there. What were some other sites? I don't know. I tried a lot of new sites. And I'm very pleased with what I got. I love that juice that be inside the crab when you crack it.
I love juice too.
I know you like the juice, baby. I got all the juice you need. Try me. You know my name. Oh, how you walk with me. Oh, how you talk with me. It still amazes me that I am young. You know my name. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, you know my name. Y'all be sure to check out hubby video that is coming out or probably already out before you get this video. He did the quintuple. Yes, quin. I bet you didn't even know that was a damn word. It's a word. Hubby doing the quintuple Whopper challenge in 5 meats. Count them. 5. Boom. 5 meats from Burger King. I'm so fucking fucked up. Anyways, hubby yes did the five meat Whopper challenge. Okay, they doing the 4. Hubby boosted up some, did the 5 with bacon. He didn't take down the fries, but he definitely took out the sandwich. Yeah. So let's see y'all do the 5 meat. I challenge all of y'all with your deep belly self. The bottomless pit. From the A&R squad. ABC TV. My baby did that. Baby, I see you. What's up? You guys, I'm starting to feel my push. How many minutes I've been recording? Bye. How long I've been recording? How many minutes?
19.
Oh shit, yeah, it's time to get off. I gotta get off. I was gonna say 10, but dang. Gotta go, babies. But anyway, you guys, thank you guys for watching. As you see, I did a lot. Even after my surgery. With protein, especially dealing with seafood, you guys can eat a lot. Well, then again, I am like almost 2 years out. So, in 2 months. So, yes. So, thanks for watching. Be sure to share, rate, comment, subscribe, do all that good jazz that you do. Be sure to go check out hubby video when he did the quintuple whopper challenge. Okay, if you want to do the challenge, be sure to tag us and shout us out as well. Let's support each other because hey, we all one big community after all, right? Right. So anyway, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. See you later. Comment below.